Today we are looking at this question that we want to solve. This question that has to do with exponential. So how do we solve for this value of x that is here? Now we could notice that for us to solve for this x, we need to make both the left hand side and the right hand side to be powers of the same number. That is, we need to write this to have the same number raised to a power for both sides. Once we can do that, then it will become very easy for us to find the value of x. So let's see, as for the left hand side, this is already power of x, so we don't need to bother. How do we now write this as power of x? We could decide to actually quickly find out if we are going to write this as a power of 5. Then let's continue our work. So here now, we have 3 to the power of minus x. And then we have 1 over 3, 4, 3 is the same thing as 3 to the power of 5. Then we have 3 raised to power minus x. Remember, in the law of indices, if we have anything raised to power of a negative number, we can put 1 over. Meaning if you have x to the power of minus a, it's actually the same thing as 1 over x to the power of a. I could from here, I could from this minus and put 1 over. I could from here come here, and I could also from here come here, as the case might be, or depends on what I'm trying to do or what I need to do. Now I have 1 over, so I can return it back to a negative power. So that gives us 3 to the power of negative 5. And if you look at it, like I said, like I always say, do not say 3 cancel 3. Just say that if these bases are equal and the whole thing is equal, then their power cannot be different. So the powers are also equal, meaning minus x is equal to minus 5. Depending on where you want to solve this, some will say minus cancel minus, which is correct. Some will say I will divide both sides by minus 1, which is still correct. You could actually just move the 5 here and then move the x here. As the case might be, if you move 5 here, it becomes positive, and if you move minus x to this side, it becomes positive as well. So that is the answer. X is equal to 5.